Hello everyone, welcome back to Train. Want to transform your brand visuals instantly? Add new products into new settings, redesign ads on the fly, even test out campaigns without hiring a full design team? Meet Nano Banana, Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash image. It's the fastest, most consistent, and realist AI photo editor out right now. And in just seconds, I'll show you how businesses can use it to level up their marketing. By the end of this episode, you'll see exactly how to edit like a pro. No Photoshop background needed. So what's Nano Banana? Funny name, but it's actually the code name for Gemini 2.5 Flash image, launched August 2025 and rolling out now inside Gemini Studio. It's blazing fast, seconds per image, keeps brand visuals consistent across edits, and it blends seamlessly. Think of it as Photoshop Express for businesses, but way smarter. All you do is type what you want. Here's how to use it. Go to Gemini Studio on web or mobile. Click Create Images. Look for the banana icon. That means you're in Nano Banana mode. Upload your photo and type your command. So for example, place our product on a table in a New York cafe for an Instagram ad. Or show this sneaker on a model wearing streetwear in Tokyo. Then just hit generate and in seconds, boom, a polished, hyper-realistic image ready for your campaign. Here's where it gets powerful for marketing. Want to test different audiences? Generate celebrity-style lifestyle shots that resonate with your demographic. Running e-commerce? Use virtual try-ons. Let customers see outfits, glasses, or accessories before buying. Selling products online? Blend your product into lifestyle scenes, like a coffee brand showing their bag on a cozy kitchen counter, or a tech gadget setup in a sleek office. Or get creative with ad campaigns. Teleport your product to Paris. Create an anime-style promo for Gen Z, or instantly refresh old product shots without reshoots. The secret sauce: character and brand consistency. It keeps your logo, packaging, or model imagery aligned across multiple edits. And it's lightning fast, around 10 seconds compared to a minute or more on other tools. Plus, every image comes with visible and invisible watermarks, so your brand's AI assets stay transparent and credible. Of course, nothing's perfect. Multi-turn edits can cause slight glitches and resolution can dip if you push it too far. Simple cropping isn't supported yet, and yes, there's always a concern about AI misuse, but Nano Banana includes watermarking to reduce deepfake risks. To get the best results for marketing, use detailed prompts. Call out the setting, the audience vibe, the mood. For example, product shot on a sunny beach, minimal aesthetic, lifestyle branded. Do one clean pass, then refine for the ads. Always keep your original message for reference and experiment with multi-image fusion, like dropping your product into multiple seasonal campaigns or merging styles for A/B testing. So that's Nano Banana, your business's secret weapon for viral-ready marketing visuals that look professional without the big budget. As always, thank you for tuning in. Please click the like and subscribe button for more videos, and see you next time.